And you bring it up on compression, I'm not gonna do it. But this won't, this is wrong. Don't do that. Go again. I like this right here. See this thing? Look at this little. And they're both the same.
Oh, the pinstriping?
Yeah. That's a real art, boy. I mean, just to get it there. Climbing around and trying to, all these curves are all different. Hey, Jesus, you can't, you'd see it, you know? Look at these hubs. Look at the size of that. External brakes, see that? Brake shoes are on the outside of the drum, not the inside.
The leaf springs are pinstriped.
Oh yeah. I mean, how scarce would this be? You know, I've been to Hershey a lot of years. I've never even seen anything like that. Yeah.
Nickel.
Yeah.
I really like these headlights.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to not like that stuff. This thing's got the Presto Light tank because those are refillable. What you did is you pulled into your local dealer and you got a refill and they just gave you another tank.
That's for the headlights and everything?
Yeah, to run all this stuff.
So you want to put your hand that way? Because if you do it the other way...
I would do it this way.
Okay.
This way. And then, because I want to let go of it. You want to try it?
Well, not after that story you told me about that guy's arm.
Let me tell you right now. If you grab a hold of this right now and roll this up, you're going to have some muscle to do this. Go ahead. Just kind of pull on it like I showed you. Not that arm, the other arm. And then just kind of pull back, and that's how much compression this thing has.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And you don't want to, once it gets up in here, you've gone past whatever cylinder it's going to fire on. So you want to let go of this because it'll spin back and then it's running.
So you
Yeah, don't ever do it the other way. Where is it? Maybe it didn't. No? Yeah, here it is. Let's see. I don't see it. It's a little, you push it down like a motorcycle until the gas runs out. And then as soon as your gas runs out, it's choked.
And you do that before you start the car?
Yeah, if it's cold out.